In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep a file or folder when syncing using Onedrive Files on demand. This is especially useful if you want to make the best use of your storage space while ensuring you have access to your files whenever you need them. Let's dive in, shall we? We start by opening OneDrive on your computer. You can usually find the OneDrive icon in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. If it's not visible, you might need to click the arrow to show hidden icons. Once you've located it, give the icon a single click. This action will bring up the OneDrive settings menu. Here, you'll want to check that your OneDrive is properly signed in and syncing. If everything looks good, we can move on. Next, navigate to your File Explorer. You can do this by clicking on the folder icon in your taskbar or by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. In File Explorer, you will see a section in the sidebar labeled OneDrive. Click on it to view all the files and folders that are syncing with your OneDrive account. As you scan through, you might notice some items have a cloud icon next to them. This indicates that they are online-only files, meaning they don't take up local space on your hard drive until you open them. For the next step, locate the file or folder you want to keep on your device. Once you've found it, right-click on the item. This will open up a context menu with several options. Look for the option that says, Always keep on this device, and go ahead and click it. By doing this, the file or folder will download to your device, and you'll see a green checkmark icon, confirming that it's stored locally and available offline. It's good to understand why this feature is incredibly handy. Keeping certain files available offline ensures that you have access to them even when you don't have an internet connection. This can be crucial for situations such as remote work or travel, where connectivity may be limited. Plus, only storing what you need locally means more efficient use of your computer storage. Now that you know how to make files available, you might wonder, can you reverse this? Yes, you absolutely can. When you want to free up space again and make the file online only, just right-click on the file or folder and select Free Up Space. This will remove the local copy from your device while keeping it safely stored in OneDrive Cloud. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to manage your files with OneDrive Files on demand, providing flexibility and efficiency in handling your storage needs. If you have any questions or want to see more tips like this, make sure to comment below. Thanks for watching.